Hello. Yan. Last game of this Endaya Cup. Ganda naman ang ikot ni Cuevas. Kaso block. Nakakuha ni Umali. Nakakuha ni Cuevas. Binigay kay Brazil. Teardrop for 2. Hindi na. Mendoza 10 seconds to shoot. Mendoza sa gitna. Still hindi. 5 seconds to shoot. Block. Nakakuha ni Ramos. Ramos, bullet pass to Brazil. Ang lalim mo na, kaibigan. Pero nandun si Umali for 2. No good. Cuevas rejected pero may shooting 2. First personal foul. First team foul. Last throw ni Cuevas. Basket pa rin. Sa ilalim, pinasa kay Mercado to Hetahube. Hetahube setting a play, kicks it out to Mercado for 3. Bang! Mercado. Rain. Brazil. To Umali, bounce pass to Marqueses. Ramos fakes, 10 seconds shoot perimeter, specialty for 2. Mercado, back to Mercado, bounce pass to Hetahube. Hetahube is still by Umali. Umali, diretso wild shot. Ay! Buenas, happy birthday, pare. Mendoza to Mercado. Still no. Nandun sa jersey number 9. No good. Kicks it out to Mercado. Relocates 3. No good. Rebound by Ramos. To Brazil. Hali play. Masyado malakas. Hetahube. Hetahube, Drumagasa. Shooting 2. Jersey number 15, Marqueses, first personal foul. Brazil setting a play na sundutan. Bola mananatili daw sa mga naka-gray. Marqueses. So, ganda naman ang pasang yon. Nakakuha ng foul. Jersey number 22 again. Mercado, that's your second personal foul. First throw is there. Second throw, subdivision rep. Mercado out, Magsombol in. Magsumbol, twice a 3. In and out, rebound the jersey number 9 ang haba. Kicks it out to Mendoza, wild shot, no good pa rin. Reverse for 2. Marqueses to Ramos, bounce pass, back to Ramos. No good, rebound ni Marqueses ang haba mo. Pero hindi na i-shoot, pero ito may steal na magaganap coming from Brazil. Brazil, pasa dun sa Ramos, no good. Talagang mahaba itong isang to. Basket for 2 by Marqueses. Mercado. Back to Magsumbol. Magsumbol to Mercado. 12 seconds to shoot. Steal. Brazil. Lumipad. Basket for 2. Timeout. Barangay 7-8. Mercado. For 3. Bam! Mercado. 3. Brazil. To Azares. Back to Brazil. 14 seconds to shoot. Kicks it out to Ramos for 3. Too strong. Rebound by Umali. Offensive board to Azares. Sa ilalim kay Ramos, fakes. Gandang block coming from jersey number. Pero may steal na magaganap by Brazil na Pinoy step. Umahon. Basket for 2. Hetahube. To Magsumbol. 14 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. Gandang pasa ni Mercado for 2. Brazil. 14 seconds to shoot. Umali. Bounce pass to Marqueses sa ilalim kay Azares to cutting Ramos for an easy lay. To 23-12. Mercado. To Magsumbol. Steal. Brazil nagmamadali sa papusluan. Halio play for 2. Mercado for the long shot. Bang! Mercado. 3. Brazil. Azares. Ramos. Binigay kay Azares. Takes the 3. Number 9, nakakuha ng bola. No good. To Umali. Umali drives to Brazil. And traveling violation. Timeout, Emmanuel. 15 minutes. Manalese to Ramos. Nasundutan. Sinalba. Ramos drives. Ang gandang find to Azares for a foul. Jersey number 6. First personal foul. First throw is there. Second throw, no good. Rebound ni Hetahube. Binigay kay Mercado. Bounce pass to jersey number 9. Mid-range jumper for 2. Brazil. Easy basket yan. Coming from, ano ba ito? Reyes ba ito? Reyes na.
Inubos mo na kagabi.
2 minutes remaining. Is that a steal? Steal nga.
Yo.
Azares. Manalese. So Azares for 2. 30-17. Mercado relocates. 10 seconds to shoot. Hetahube. Nadapa. 5 seconds to shoot. Mercado. Good yan, idol. 1 minute and 20 seconds on the clock. Is that a steal? Steal. Ay, pinasa sa referee. Subdivision ref. Ganda ng idol. Ganda ng cut ni referee.
Wala pang balita kung maglalagay ko, di ba?
Wala po. Patanong na lang po.
Papatanong ko na kay Sir Doyle sa yung bago siya mag-iwag. Sige.
Para maintindihan natin.
Azares.
Shot!
Sa gitna kay Reyes. No good. Mercado for the rebound. To jersey number 9. Lumipad yung isa. May putback. No good. Another. Naibaba ba? Naibaba nga. Brazil. For 3. No good. And there's a double foul. Double foul coming from jersey number 79.
17.
Subdivision rep. 17. 79 ng 7A. 17 ng Emmanuel. Magsumbol for 3. No good. Rebound di yung... Sino ba yung Cuevas pala? Gandang pasa to Lopez. Shooting 2 na naman.
5.
Magsumbol, that's your
Follow.
first personal foul. First throw is there. Second throw for back 2. Cordero. Mercado. 13 seconds remaining. Basket for 2. 5 seconds remaining. End of our first first quarter with an official score of 32-19.
Anong quarter yan? Second pa lang.
Sabi, power. Power na nga.
Luna. Fires a free throw jumper, no good. Rebounding. Mendoza to Mendoza. No good. Rebounding. Ramos to Lopez. To Brazil. For 3. No good. Kicks it out sa gilid. Fires, no good. Blocks for the rebound. To Brazil for 2. Baco. Almost a steal. 12 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by Ramos. Steal by Lunar. Mendoza to Lunar. Kicks it out sa gilid. Grabe ang tirang yung kanya ulit. Binaluktot pa ulit. Nakakuha na yung backup for 3. No good. Rebound by Ramos. Bounce pass to Brazil. Sa gitna kay Marqueses. Sa ilalim, pinasa pa kayo Umali. No good. Rebound by. And that's a jump ball. Jump ball na po tayo. Ay, Cuevas pala yun. Hindi pala sa Umali yun.
Magkakamukha kasi yun.
Parehas ng gupit. Eight seconds to shoot. For 3, Lopez. No good. Marqueses. Sa ilalim, kay Cuevas. Butata ni Mendoza. Pinasa sa kalaban. No look pass to Lopez. Nakakuha ng pushing foul. Jersey number 17. Shooting 2.
Basta yung tubig.
First throw is there.
Buhusan mo dun. Buhusan mo.
Second throw is there pa rin. Nantokoy mo naman mga dok. Baco. To Mendoza. Sa ilalim. To Lunar. Bounce pass to Baco. Almost a steal. And there's a foul. Jersey number 23, Lopez. Raise your hand. That's your first personal foul. Steal. Brazil. Ganda naman nun. No good lang nandito si Cuevas. Ang gandang block by Lunar. Rosales to Lunar. Lunar, black! Back to back, black. Subdivision rep. Grabe, black ng kabila. Bago out. Sab, tahubi in. Sige, pasok. Pasok in, labas out.
Yes, sir.
Lunar to Mendoza, to Kating Mercado, nakita si Tahubi. No good pa rin. Rebound ni Ramos, pass break play, nawala pa. No good na doon ang kanyang kapatid, nablakan ni Mercado sa likod. Lunar, muntikan pa mawala ang bola, pinasa kay Mercado. Mercado, bounce pass sa ilalim. Save ball possession, pre. Sayang ang palakpak mo. Mercado, to Lunar. 10 seconds to shoot. Mercado. To Lunar. 8 seconds to shoot. Fires. No good. Tiba, ang laki. Nakakuha ni Cuevas. Cuevas. To Brazil. 4 outs. Nakakuha ni Mercado ang bola. Mercado naman ngayon nagmamadali. Mercado. Same ball possession. Subdivision rep. Reyes in. Who's out? Marquez is out. Knockout play. Bounce pass to Lunar. Nakalusot. No good. Mercado. 12 seconds to shoot. Hetahube split the defense. Wild shot. No good. Reyes for the rebound. Brazil. Setting a play to Reyes. Ay, di pala. Pinasa. To Ramos for three. Too strong. Rebound by jersey number 33 to Mercado. Mercado for two. Naka-score na. Brazil to Brazil. For three. No good pa rin. Rebound. Sino ba yun? Rosales ba yun? Hetahube to Mercado for three. Not good. To Brazil. To Brazil. Bounce pass to Brazil for two. That's the brothers connection. (38-21). Lunar. For three, bam! Timeout, Emmanuel. To the ball game. Robles pala. Kala ko Rosales. Nalilito na si Pasha. Brazil. Tomanalese for three. No good. Rebound by jersey number 9 to Hetahube. Hetahube to Mercado. Nakalusot for two. Last 2 minutes. Brazil to Manalese. To Ramos. Grabe naman! Basket for two by Ramos. Mercado. Nakakuha ng foul. Called on jersey number 17.
Anak ko yun.
Manalese, ilan na yan?
Pangalawa.
Second personal foul. First throw is there. Second throw, perfect 2. Brazil. Bounce pass to Manalese, relocates to Brazil. To Mali, ang ganda ng ikot. No good. Rebound by Manalese, binigay kanino, binalik. Ramos nagda-drive. Ramos nakalusot for an easy lay. Mercado, 4 shot. Na-rebound ni Azares ang bola, bounce pass pero interrupted ni Robles. Nagkatapikan pa ng buko. Kanino mapupunta? Napunta na naman kay Mercado, muntikan pang mawala. Mercado relocates to Robles. Bang! For 2. 12-point lead, 45 seconds to go. $14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Mid-range jumper, too short. Antibay ng hustle. Nagkatapi ka na. Napunta sa mga naka-blue. Cordero. Nilabas pa ni Idol. 20-second shot clock is up. Umali. No good. Same ball possession. Timeout. 7-A. Wala na pong timeout. Both teams on this second half. Ball possession ba? Wait lang po rep. Ayan, napasok. Aba, kada. Umali, 10 seconds remaining. To Brazil. 5 seconds remaining. Ramos, no good.
Hello.
And we would like also to thank the sponsor of the live coverage, Malt and Cutes. That's a sports something yan eh. Bilyar, kineme. Thank you po sa pag-sponsor ng live. Sana sa susunod ulit. Eto na ang mga taga-7. Nagmamadali si Cordero na istilan ni Brazil. Still by Brazil to Brazil. Lumipad, no good. Reyes. Kahit anong haba mo pagkamalapad ang babantayan eh. May puwit pa. Mercado for 3. No good. 44-30. Brazil. Mid-range J. No good. Nakakuha ni Cordero. Steal by Brazil again. Pinasa sa kawalan. Subdivision rep. Mercado to Cordero, or Robles rather, to Mercado for 3, no good, rebound, put back 2 by jersey number 9. Brazil sa ilalim, steal, yeah, that's a steal. To Robles. Robles block. Robles pa rin for 2. 10-point lead. Brazil to Brazil. Fires. Bam! Brazil 3. Mercado to Robles, back to Mercado, kicks it out kay Cordero, 10 seconds to shoot, fire a mid-range jumper, rebound by Cuevas, still pero may foul coming from jersey number 33, subdivision, pasok, inanen 33. Cordero, and that's a traveling violation. Subdivision. (47-34). Mid-range jumper by Ramos is good. Mendoza, kumana para sa pamilya. No good by putback, kaso sala pa rin. Still, Mercado. Sa gitna, wala pang bola, tumama sa ulo.
May burger ka talaga sa akin.
Brazil fires, no good, Brazil pa rin, no good pa rin. To Mendoza, kicks it out to Mercado for 3, no good, rebound by Cuevas. Subdivision rep. Hindi nakatingin ang mga papasahan. Yun, subdivision rep. Ayan, sa mga gusto pong magtingin ng mga replays ng ating live coverages for today's game, you can visit the Facebook page of Steamworks and Steamworks Sports Hub. You can subscribe also on their channel, YouTube channel and Facebook official live page for live coverages of any updated games and uploads. Yun. Maraming salamat po agad kung sino man po ang gustong manood ng replay ng live. You can visit the Facebook page of Steamworks Hub, Sports Hub rather. Mercado for 3, no good. And that's a traveling subdivision rep. Pasok, 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 pasok. Four minutes and 54 seconds to go. Ramos to Brazil. 4-3, block. Bullet pass to Magsumbol. Nawala ang handles. Nakuha ni Brazil, binigay kay Ramos. To Marquese, 4-2. Mercado to Mendoza. Block by Marqueses. Umali. Take a flight. Block by Magsumbol. Block sa likod pero may whistle. Foul will be called on jersey number 9. Montenegro. Yeah, Montenegro. First personal foul. Second team foul. First Ronnie Marqueses. Basket is good. Last and final throw, Bounders. Bounders ready. No good. Offensive rebound still belongs to the team of Emmanuel. Nagyoyo, no good. Ang haba. Brazil. 10 seconds to shoot. Ramos, mid-range, 4-2. Mercado, to Magsumbol, 4-shot, no good. Umali.
Take time.
12 seconds to shoot. Sa ilalim, steal by Hetahube. To Mercado. Mercado lays it up for 2. 3 minutes to go. 57-38. Still a long way to run. But the lead is still holding by Team Emmanuel. Brazil 3, no good. Subdivision rep. 57-38. Napakalaking kalamangan. At nagpahinga ang mga taga-7. Mercado. Sa gitna kay Montenegro, in and out. Rebound by Marqueses. To Mali. 14 to shoot. Lopez to Ramos, 8 seconds to shoot. Umali, 5. No good. Rebound by Lopez. No good. Rebound by Mendoza. Bounce pass to Mercado. To Hetahube. Hetahube. And foul plus a basket counts. Jersey number 11. Subdivision rep. 6. Sorry, 6. Umali, that's your. Umali, first personal foul. Hindi na complete ang 3-point play coming from Hetahube. 2 minutes and 10. Umali drives. Steal. Bako. Bako nakalusot pero naistilan ni Ramos. Binigay kay Brazil. 4-3. No good. Ramos for the rebound. To Umali, to Lopez. Naistilan na naman Montenegro. Napunta kay Bako. Bako for an easy lay. Malakas. Kitang-kita sa tira. Brazil. 4-3 again. Wala pa rin. And there's a foul. Foul will be called on jersey number 22. Subdivision. Magsumbol out. Mercado in. Baco to Hetahube. Hetahube, reverse. Hindi pa rin umahon. Sayang naman. Azares. "12 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. Lopez for 3. No good. Rebound by Mendoza. Nagmamadali si Mendoza. Drive to the basket for 2. Nag-split pa. "50 seconds remaining. Kicks it out to Ramos. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by Montenegro. Pinasa sa kalaban. Wow! Grabe naman yun. Ano? Baliwalo. "24 seconds. Time remaining. 17 seconds to shoot. Bajo, teardrop, no good. Montenegro, reverse, nakakuha pa ng foul. Jersey number 23, Lopez. That's your second personal foul. Montenegro on the free throw line, chance to complete a 3-point play. Pasok, 3-point play completed. 14 seconds. Time remaining. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. And that's the end of our third quarter. With an official score of 59-45. Still the lead is holding by Emmanuel. Okay. This will be the last and final quarter. Lunar. Bounce pass to Mercado. Bates. Montenegro, and there's a foul by Marqueses, jersey number 15. That's your second personal foul. First throw is there. Second throw. Pasok pa rin. Ramos, 14 seconds to shoot. Brazil setting a play. Bounce pass to Ramos for 3. No good. Hetahube for the rebound. Hetahube na sundutan. Bola mananatili sa mga naka-blue. Mid-range jumper. No good. Mercado. Ay, naubo. Sayang naman.
Yeah.
Brazil setting a play. Almost a steal. Ang gandang find sa ilalim kay Cuevas for 2. Luna To Mercado, almost a steal. Mercado naghahanap ng papasahan, nakita si Leonard, ay Robles rather. To Hetahube. Binalik kay Mercado, 5 seconds to shoot. And there's a foul sa baba. Jersey number 6. Umali, that's your second personal foul. Bola na. Emmanuel. 8 minutes to go. Twelve seconds to shoot. Brazil rejected ang alley-oop and there's a foul. Jersey number 19, Lunar. For 3. Huwag ka sa gitna dumaan. Star of the night ka dyan. Hetahube. Pull up. No good. Rebound by Robles. 14 seconds to shoot. Mercado nakalusot using the glass for 2. Gandang pasa nun. Mapapalta ng ating board. Sa gitna kay Hetahube, reverse for 2. Timeout. Emmanuel, 64-51, down to 13-point lead. Okay, back to the ball game. Brazil. To Umali, bounce pass to Marquez, binalik kay Umali sa gitna for 2. Hetahube. Spinning, another reverse, no good. Same ball possession. Hetahube. Spinning, another one. Blocked by Ramos. No good. Rebound by Cuevas. Almost a steal. Steal na nga ang naganap. To Mercado. 4-3. Tumbo. Nakakuha ni Hetahube. To Robles. 4-2. Brazil. Twelve seconds to shoot. And there's a foul for shooting 3 coming from jersey number 0. Subdivision left. Hetahube, that's your. First personal foul. First Tony Umali, pasok. Second throw no good. Last and final throw. Pasok pa rin. Robles. To Mercado. Sa ilalim. Pasa sa ilalim ulit. Montenegro for 2. Ramos receives. Ramos. Block. Marqueses, no good. Rebound by Robles. To Mercado, pero na-stealan ni Umali. Umali. Timeout. 7A. Barangay Shet. $70-55, 15-point lead. Mercado. To Mercado. To Aba. To Mercado. To Mercado. Fakes. Panalik kay Mercado. Wild shot. Iniligtas. 10 seconds to shoot. Cross court. 5 seconds to shoot. Pinasa sa kawalan, iniligtas pa na awalan ng mga taga Emmanuel for 2. Mercado to Mercado, bounce pass, Montenegro enters a foul. Foul committed by jersey number 26, Azares. First throw is there. First personal foul by Azares. Subdivision rep. Bako in. Mercado out. $72-57. Azares, pumiga, block. 11 seconds to shoot. Ramos is spinning, no good. Rebound by Mercado, and that's a pushing foul coming from jersey number 26 again. Second personal foul. Warning for team penalty. To Mercado. Basket for 2. Last 2 minutes. Brazil. Foul plus a basket count. Jersey number 11. Bako, that's your.
Ipakita mo yung laro mo kagabi.
Completing 3-point play. Bako nagmamadali. Bako munting ang masundutan. Rejected out of bounds. Mercado. Ganda nun. Sa lalangang tira na kuha ni Azares ang bola. To Ramos, to Brazil. Still. Yuh, namura ka pa. Ramos to Azares. To Cuevas. Back to Azares. 10 seconds to shoot. Kicks it out. 3 to shoot. Fires. No good. Rebound by Baco. To Montenegro. To Mercado. Masyado malakas. Put back. Aba. Aba ka nga naman. Talaga, sinala ka pa. Sinala pa ang tira. Time out. 7-8. Masyado malakas ang pasa. Mercado for 3. Bam! 26 seconds to go. 11-point lead, Brazil.
Oras!
Enters a foul by Mercado. 22 seconds to go. Warning 14 penalty. Third personal foul. Nineteen seconds. Shot clock is off. Basket for 2. 10 seconds. Foul. Fourth personal foul, Mercado. Penalty tayo. Ayan, penalty.
Ala!
Brazil, tinira. No good. And I guess that's it. Congratulations, Emmanuel, for winning against Barangay 7A. Kita-kits po ulit tayo bukas. Salamat po sa mga nanonood. Again, this is the first Cup of Mayor Faye and Daya 2025.